Advay Agarwal, and today we will do a video about static electricity. That is salt plus the plus static electricity means we'll do dancing salt, and we also do it in slow motion to make you see more clearly. Okay, so the ingredients for this experiment is a piece of paper, salt, a stick like this, and a cloth. I've taken a glove for example. Yeah. Now see, I have taken now I'll rub it against the glove. We'll do it till here only, till my hand. Isn't it looking a nice background? This is a Muri, you know. I always get like this, always. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Done. Okay, I think it's happening. Or no, let's try it again another 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can't count. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, something happened. See? Well, you can't see, but I could see. Okay, so it's sticking. So I'll take like a photo, and then in the end of the video, it will appear. So now I hope you like this video. Please help my video to become more popular by like and sharing it to friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on that red button, the subscribe word written on it. So don't forget to ring the bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye.